Try to keep it as level as possible. And go right to the end of the fabric. Okay, go into the fabric. Now at this point, I got to take this out of the machine. So you could, if you want, do a back stitch. Hold the back stitch button and just press. Okay, a couple of back stitches. And now I'm bringing the needle up. I mean, not the needle, but the needle is up. I'm bringing this out and I'm clipping it with the built-in clipper. Beautiful. And I'm taking the 2 pins out. It's not smart to put them in your mouth like my mother used to do, but leave that up to you. All right. This is longer on one side than the other. You might not be able to see it, but it is. And the purpose of that is so that when you're sewing close to the edge, you're going to get the other side. Who knew that? I know when I first did it, you know, being a retired aircraft technician, hey, and we had to learn to sew, believe it or not, to be aircraft mechanics, because some of the aircraft flying today still have fabric covering the flight controls and the wings. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this over. I really should use pins. I really should be doing this on a table. The other thing, in fact, let me shut the camera off and do it on a table. Okay. I just made an end on it. Turned the corner. See, I put the blanket in this way. And do a couple of back stitches over here. What happened? Oh, I hit the wrong button. Oh boy, my stupid. Alright. I was holding the start-stop button down. Who knew that? You know why? I did that without looking. You know? Alright, the fact that that didn't come good and it wouldn't hurt, just run another stitch. See? Just run another stitch. And you got a chance to line this up too. Chances, you got more chances. I'll give you a chance. All right. Put this over here. And then what I'm going to do, here's the button to go backwards. I'm going to put a couple of stitches forward. All right, a couple of back stitch. It's always smart to do back stitch. All right, try to keep this aligned. And then when I get to the end, I'm going to do a back stitch. Oh, I did the same thing. It's great to be human. All right, now I show you. It's always good to have a good scissor, even if it's an old scissor. It's something maybe your mom had or your dad. You can get them sharpened. Some of the old ones are very good. I happen to buy very good scissors. Ginger, if I'm saying it right. G-I-N-G-H-E-R. It's German. All right, now, this you do not have to do. I do this because I worked on airplanes, and I like the safety things. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go this way with it, and then I'm going to go back. Back a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, this way. Back, 1, 2. Okay, that's all. That's me. See, the other thing, the back stitch, when you cut like this, like I just did, the back stitch gives you extra support. All right, that's the end of a baby blanket. So now you got to make sure this is the long side. All right, this approaches 2. All right, just say 15/16. This is say 14/16. All right, so the other side's longer. So this why you'd want to put this right here, and you could start right in the middle, bring this down, and go forward a bit, and then go back a couple of stitches. 1, 2, back, 1, 2. Okay, now. Watch your pins. Where did my ruler disappear to? Okay. 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 Clip, clip. All right. To do this freehand might be sloppy. See, I don't even have enough room on the table in front of me to do this properly. And you'd be disappointed if I screwed up. All right, let me shut the camera off and take it over to my other table. Okay. I did it on the table. I made 2 of the corners. All right, let me run this through. See, sometimes if it starts to bunch up a little bit, see if you could level it out a bit. And go back. Okay, bring the needle down. Okay, turn it a little bit. I pressed the wrong button again. Yep, when I was trying to do the back stitch. What's wrong with me? All right, I got to be careful. I'm on the pin with the foot, so go nice and slow. I'm going to go back. That time it worked. Hey, Vinny. Right, bring your needle up, pull it out. Nice and neat. I did a back stitch so you can do nice and neat. Okay, you take the pin out, put it by the book. Watch your pins. Okay, I take this pin out and that pin out, and try not to put them in your mouth. And I got to shoot down this road over here. See what I did is I doubled up a little bit. Now the fact is, you're putting one over the other. It's not going to totally encompass the one below it. But does it really matter? All right, now I'm going to bring the foot down. See, I'm on the little pin over there. So, all right, well, let me do a couple of forward stitch, back stitch, back stitch, 2, 3. Okay, now go down the road. Here's my roller. Alright, roller, yeah. I'm going to do a back stitch. Yeah, that's how I got it, first shot. Alright, what I could do, put the needle down, bring the foot up, take the pin out, put it in the book. Now, go to the end. Go to the end. Okay. Pin, needles down. Come up this way. Okay. And then I'm going to do a lock stitch. Going forward and a lock stitch. Back. Okay, forward. When I get to the end, I'm going to do a lock stitch. Lock stitch. Okay. Bring the needle up. I'm getting good. Alright, now the other thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take this pin out too. I'm going to cut this thread off because it gets hairy looking. Alright, this thread too. Bring the threads to the back. Alright, I'm going to put my cross stitch. I didn't put one here. Son of a gun. Don't have to do this, but I do. Alright, I'm going to be prepared to go backwards. Alright, forward, back, forward, back. Okay. Alright. Thread to the back. Alright, do a thread. Alright, go across like this. Alright, be prepared to do a back stitch. Hey, nice. Threads to the back. Be neat. Look at this. Sloppy. Look, look, look. Fix, fix. Okay. Thread down. We're going to be prepared to do the back stitch.